Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equals to at the point where x is equals to 2. So first, let's write the equation down. Y is equals to 1 minus x, 2 plus x. So we are going to differentiate this equation to find the gradient of the tangent. So now, but first let's open this equation. So this becomes 1 times 2 is what? 2. 1 times x is plus x. Negative x times 2 is negative 2x. Then negative x times x is what? Negative x squared. So this becomes 2x minus 2x is what? It's minus x squared. So y is equals to 2 minus x squared. So now let's find the derivative. This is easier to differentiate than this. So now let's differentiate this. The y over the x. The y over the x. This gives us the gradient of the tangent. So this y prime is also equals to m1, which is the gradient of the tangent. So this becomes what? 0, then minus this minus 1, minus 2x. Then if you factorize negative, you get negative 1 plus 2x. So now we have to find the point, the full point we are going to work with. You know this, it's only one variable that is given us from the point, which is x, which is 2. We have to find y. So we'll substitute x in this equation to get y. So y becomes what? 1 minus 2, then 2 plus 2 is equals to negative 1 times 4, which is equals to negative 4. So the point we are going to be working with is this. x1, y1 is equals to what? 2, 4. This is the point we are going to work with. Okay, it's negative here, so it's 2, negative 4. So this is the point. So this is the point we are going to work with. 2, negative 4. So now we'll find the gradient of the tangent. So gradient of the tangent, which is equals to what? The y over the x at the point, this point, 2, negative 4. So now this m1 is equals to what? So now this m1 is equals to what? We'll substitute this point. We'll substitute this point in the derivative. So it's what? Negative 1 plus 2 times what? X here is 2. So this is what? Negative, this is 1 plus 4, which is equals to what? Negative 5. So this is the gradient of the tangent, negative 5. Now we can find the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is given by what? Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equals to m1 x minus x1. So this is the point we are going to substitute as y1 and x1. Then we have our m1. So it will be y minus what is m. So what is y1? Is negative 4. It's equals to what is m1 is negative 5. X minus 2. So we'll simplify this. This becomes y plus 4 equals to minus 5. We can open this bracket. we can open this bracket. This becomes minus 5x plus 10. So this becomes what? Take this here. 10 minus 4 is what? Is 6. So this is the equation of the tangent. So now the gradient of the tangent is y is equal to negative 5x plus 6. Now let's find the gradient of the normal. So gradient of the normal, so is given by m2. Now there's a relation that connects m1 and m2. So here is it, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So this formula connects m1 and m2. Now we can substitute m1 here and get m2. So this becomes m2 is equal to negative 1 over m1. So what is m1? m1 is negative 5. So it's what? Negative 1 over negative 5, which is 1 over 5. So m2 is 1 over 5. So now we'll find the equation of the normal. Using the same equation that we used before here, this one. But now instead of m1, we're going to change this m1 to m2. So it will be what? Y minus y1 equals to m2 x minus x1. So now we'll substitute y1, m2 and x1 here. So it will be y minus y1 is what? It's negative 4. m2 is what? m2 is 1 over 5. X minus what? x1 is 2. So this becomes y plus 4 is equals to what? 1 over 5 x minus 2. Now we can multiply 2 by 5 to remove this fraction to be what? 5y plus 20 is equals to x minus 2. So this becomes what? 5y, we can take 20 to this side. So this becomes 5y is equals to x minus 2 minus 20. So this becomes 5y is equals to x minus 22. So the equation of the normal is 5y is equals to x minus 22. And the equation of the tangent is y is equals to negative 5x plus 6. So here are the two equations. Equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.